Bless you.
Why'd you say bless you if I coughed?
I hope you know it's more likely to die when you're coughing than sneezing.
Whatever, bro. What's up, Michael?
What's up?